You were scared.
Oh, don't tell her that. Just don't grab it, put your parking brake on.
That's right.
Parking brake. Parking brake.
It's wet, baby.
You got it. You can self-rescue that now. Nice job.
You're about as bad as I was.
Dee, make sure you tell them I have permission to have your car keys, because I don't know we're going to make it back with
Did
you.
you video me?
I can video you, because I didn't have it out in time.
Getting on through this.